Hi guys, you are most welcome on Bot Buzz YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about Waziper script with list, poll and button template. By using this Waziper script, you can easily send button, list and poll in bulk. Okay. If you need this script, you can contact me on my mobile number on WhatsApp or call. Okay. Also provide my contact number on my video screen you can watch here. Okay, first of all you need to create an account for testing. You need to create an account. I have also provided this portal link in video description, so if you want to test this portal, so you can create an account and test the button, list and poll features. Okay, this link I have also provided the video in the video description. Okay, so for testing this portal, you need to connect your WhatsApp account in this portal. For connect your WhatsApp account, go to WhatsApp section and click add account button. After click the add account button, automatically show here QR code. By this QR code is scanned by your WhatsApp account. By scan the WhatsApp account, automatically your WhatsApp account link here like WhatsApp web. Okay, after link the account, you will need to create a button, list and poll template. If you don't create a button, list, poll template, so you can easily create during the WhatsApp messaging. First of all, click on WhatsApp and choose if you want to create first button template, poll template or list template, so you can choose button template. Here you can see here I have also test one button template and for testing purpose. Okay, if you want to create a new button template, click on plus sign. After click the plus sign, you can check here a form. Right here button template name, title, button and media. If you want to send media with buttons, so you can upload a media like a PDF, video, etc. And you will write template description, like you want to send a button and description in caption with buttons. Okay, so you can type here description and list of button. By click the add new button, so you can add maximum 3 buttons in a template. Okay, you can send text button, link button, call to action button and copy button in a template. Okay, if you want to create a poll template, so click the poll template, click on plus sign and you can create a poll template by enter the name of the poll template. Enable multi selection. If you want to set multi selection option in poll template, so you can yes, otherwise you can set the no. Okay, if you want to add the multiple buttons in poll, so click the add new button. By add new button, you can add multiple buttons in poll template. And if you want to create a list message template, so click list message template and click on plus sign. After click the plus sign, you will add the multiple sections and under the sections you can add multiple product and services. Okay, so add new section. By add new section, you can type section name and add multiple option in this section. Okay, if you want to add another section, so you can click on add new section and enter multiple section or service of this multiple product and service on this section. Okay, for send these template in bulk, so click the WhatsApp section, open the subsection, choose bulk messaging. After choose the bulk messaging, you will create a new campaign. After click on new campaign, select WhatsApp account. First of all, you need to select a WhatsApp account. That WhatsApp account, by using this WhatsApp account, you will send bulk messages. Okay, if you want to send button message in template, so click buttons. If you also create button templates, so here you can see your button templates list and choose any template and send in bulk. If you want to send list messages and you also create but list message template, so you will see so you will see list messages template like button template like button template, but I don't have any list message. So you can see here message like this for create a new list message template. So poll template, same action. If you don't have any poll template, so see here add poll template option. By using this option you can create a poll template here. So okay, if you want to test button list poll, so you can visit my this portal and create a dummy account, create a demo account, trial account. After create the demo account, you will test these options. If you need this script, so you can contact us. My contact number also show on my screen.